Combi.
Welcome to our home.
For the next month.
Parang party.
Yeah. Welcome to our home.
The bus.
This,
Yeah.
girl
The
bus.
bus.
This is the girls bus.
Parang aeroplano din. Diba?
Yes.
This is our bus.
I think I can survive it.
Ayaw.
For
Yung limang unan mo nga, hindi nakasya.
yes, because I sleep with 5 pillows.
Yeah.
Yes. Medyo asan ka?
This is my bunk. Yeah, this is my.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, where Hello Kitty is. And my pajamas. There. So we have a pillow. We have a comforter.
And the curtain.
We have lights in here.
May intercom.
Oh, ako kasi ang bus leader. So, nasa akin ang intercom. Yeah. Ito si MQ.
Parang ano lang, parang airplane na ano.
Correct.
Na,
Ladies and gentlemen, tatanungin ko nga kung pwede kong gawin yun. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to depart for New York City. This is the MQs. These are the Lola bunks.
Lola bus.
Our feet has to be facing
The bus.
the bus. Para should there be sudden stops, it's the feet and not the head. We were
That's the
instructed.
trick.
Yeah.
Tapos may speakers for the intercom.
This one, aircon vents.
Aircon vents.
Nakasara kasi nilalamig ako eh. And then meron kaming outlets for charging.